Greetings, car fanatics. So, some people have been asking me how to stream music on your radio if you don't have Bluetooth or an auxiliary port. So, today I'm going to show you two different ways to stream music wirelessly to your car if you don't have Bluetooth or an auxiliary port. So, the first and probably the cheapest and easiest is using a Bluetooth FM transmitter. So, this is the Aukey Bluetooth FM transmitter, and what it'll will do is simply pair with your phone over Bluetooth, and it's going to send that music signal to your radio via an FM frequency. In this case, it's using 88.1. With this Aukey system, you can switch to different frequencies, so 88.1, 88.3, and so forth. So depending on your area and how many radio stations you have, this could be a good option. If you're in the Bay Area like me, you might get some interference. However, I've found pretty good results with 88.1 in this particular area, and usually the lower frequencies seem to do better in terms of having less interference. So let me show you how this works. So I will simply set the Bluetooth up on my phone, and let me go ahead and just enable that. So now the Bluetooth on my phone is enabled, and it is a bit annoying, but every time you start the car up, you will have to pair it, and you can just hold this button here. Alright, and looks like it is paired up now. So then I have the station set up on my radio, so 88.1 is here, and let me just show you some streaming action. Alright, so I'm playing some music on Google Play Music, and it should work. Alright, so before I get a content ID claim, I'm going to turn off the music, but that's just showing you that this works. And for the most part, the audio quality is pretty good as long as your music is playing. However, when I find the music switching between one song to another, and there are kind of moments of silence, you can get this kind of staticky interference buzzing noise. But you know, this is a pretty cheap solution, and definitely one of the easiest ways for you to stream music. This does also allow you to pick up phone calls, and it has a built-in microphone, and you can like skip songs by pressing these buttons here. So I'll just show you. So that's kind of cool that you can use this to switch songs as well as pick up the phone, and it has pretty decent audio quality. Now, for my particular car, my 2008 Porsche Cayenne, the previous owner installed a Mobridge iPod connector, which allows the iPod to connect with the head unit here and play music. But unfortunately, I don't have an iPhone, and I actually have an Android. So I picked up this CoolStream Duo Bluetooth receiver that's supposed to plug into this iPod connector and allow me to stream music via Bluetooth to this device, which then transfers the audio into this iPod connector. So let's go ahead and just open this up and try it out. I purchased this CoolStream Duo on Amazon for 25 bucks. Alright, having some trouble with the packaging here. Alright, so we got it out, and it's going to simply connect here. And this should also charge while connecting. So let's go ahead and turn this on.